All right, good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Thank you much. Welcome back and to the start of the second semester and our January Student of the Month recognition ceremony. Before we get going with that, there are a couple of announcements. First off, not senior privilege, open campus privileges will start on Friday. So if you have your junior, senior, and all your grades are 83 or above, you will have open campus during your study halls. If you did not achieve that, then we will see you starting Friday in your study halls. So check those out. Again, they'll start on Friday. If you have any questions, please stop by the office and we'll take care of that. Before we get going with our Students of the Month here at Winslow, we have some from the Tech Center that we would like to recognize. So when I call your name, would you please stand? There are three of them, so let's have all three stand and then we'll give them a round of applause. First off, in precision machining, Talon Loftus. In culinary arts, Opal Butler. And in outdoor leadership, Dayton Dutail. All right. Great job. Great job to you three representing Winslow. Now could we have the freshman class advisors please come forward to recognize their Student of the Month.
Hello, everybody. I would like to give the Freshman Student of the Month out to Addison Beneventi. Addison's teachers would like to recognize her as Student of the Month because of her positive attitude. Addison is a great student in and out of the classroom. Addison is supportive of others and is overall a great school citizen and adds to the school climate at Winslow High School. So congratulations, Addison Beneventi. At this time, I'll hand the microphone back to Mr. Preble.
Sophomore class advisors, please come forward.
Our Sophomore Student of the Month is being recognized for their small acts of kindness. No matter who the person is, whoever may need help, whether it's a student helping a student feel accepted at school or helping students in the hallway, our Sophomore Student of the Month is always looking for someone in need of a kind interaction. They do this not for recognition, but just because that's the kind of person they are. It's Willow Merchant.
Junior class, please come forward.
Okay, so this student whose first name starts with an H, Harper is being recognized for being academically responsible and helping to create a positive environment for the Black Raider community. Harper serves as a mentor for athletes on the cheer team, When Harper's faced with new challenges, she maintains an optimistic outlook, which is infectious to those around her. Congratulations, Harper.
And senior advisors, please come forward.
This senior is the definition of excellence which flies under the radar. While quiet and unassuming, her work ethic and willingness to take responsibility for her academic standing is second to none. She is loyal, committed, and someone who reaches her potential on a consistent basis. We're very, very happy to present this award to Aaliyah LaCroix.
All right, one more round of applause for all of our winners.